What's going on, guys? Jurassic here. Today we are going to learn how to set up OBS for live streaming. Now today we are using Twitch as an example. They have their own inspector on a separate website, and basically you can input your signal into this website and it sort of fine-tunes it for you. So let's go into the settings. Now we are going to focus on the output tab first. So you can have Twitch VOD tracks, you can have audio tracks for whatever recording you're doing. I recommend having these separate than your regular recording tab, just that way you can have everything on Twitch, because Twitch only handles one track at a time. So if you, for example, have your friends and music on a different track, you have to have them on the same track while you're live streaming. So just keep that in mind. I would do 6, for example. Rescale output, keep that at 1920 by 1080. Keep your encoder at H.264 new. For the rate control, I recommend using the control bitrate. Twitch allows up to 6,000 kilobytes per second. This is what I recommend for the best possible signal. You can go lower if you're, especially if you're doing like 720p, you can drop it down to like 4,500 or so. For the preset, I recommend using max quality, profile as main. Select psycho-visual tuning and max briefings of 2. Now this website that we're going to use to fine-tune our live stream, that'll basically let you know if you need to lower or increase the preset and profile in order for it to, just work a little bit better in your system, for example. Now we need to head over to the stream tab and click down, and you should see Twitch as an option. You can connect to your account, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to input the stream key manually because we need to add a little bit extra stuff to it so we can actually test it out for us. So first things first, let's head over to inspector.twitch.tv, log in with Twitch. It's going to ask you to authorize the account. Now you're fully authorized. Now one thing you do have to keep in mind is you are going to have to go over into your Twitch account. So go and head over into the top right corner, click on Creator Dashboard. You want to go into Settings, and then under Stream, and then click Copy right here. So this website has a run a stream test. With that, you need to add question bandwidth test equal true to the end of whatever your primary stream key is. You don't want to hand that out, so we're going to get that inputted real quick, and then I'll bring us back. Alright, so once you get everything done, go ahead and click Apply, click OK. Now that is all fully set up. Let's go ahead and click Start Streaming. It's going to take a second, and if you head back over to the website, you should see it automatically update. And you can see your live stream. Basically, this is going to pop up data and show you how everything is going. There we go. Now it's updating. You can see that we are staying a consistent average. We're not having any frame dips or anything. And then you can even have this website notify you if your stream becomes unstable. If you want to test out a game before you actually live stream, you just come here and basically you can play for about 30 seconds or so, and you should be able to see if you need to do anything. And over here on the right side of the screen, this website will even say, oh, we recommend turning this down, or we recommend bumping this up. So just keep that in mind. Now, this is fully set up for Twitch, but you can also, if you want to later change your stream key to, like, for example, streaming to YouTube only, you can, and it's going to be already set up. That is going to be it for today, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.